VSeeBox V6 Plus channel lineup. Thinking about getting the VSeeBox V6 Plus, here's a quick look at its massive channel lineup and what you can expect. So, you'll get US national networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, and Fox, plus entertainment favorites like AMC, Bravo, Comedy Central, BET, and Discovery Channel. Sports fan can enjoy ESPN, Fox Sports, NBA TV, and NFL Network, MLB Network, and more. Regional sports channel are also included depending on the location. For movies, you'll find HBO, Cinemax, Showtime, and Stars. Lifestyle channels like TLC, HGTV, and Travel Channel are also part of the lineup. Families can enjoy Cartoon Network, Disney Channel, Nickelodeon, Boomerang, and PBS Kids, perfect for keeping children entertained. Stay informed with CNN, BBC, World News, Al Jazeera English, Bloomberg, and MSNBC. International coverage is strong across multiple regions. V6 Plus includes over 400 local channels, plus a 7-day playback feature on select stations so you can catch up on missed shows. So the VSeeBox V6 Plus delivers a massive lineup across news, sports, movies, and kids channels. And that is the VSeeBox V6 Plus channel list.